All right, let me show you how to make this little cute little pearl, okay? What you do is you're gonna count down 16 of these string pearls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, all right? Then you're just gonna cut the string right there like this, okay? Like that. Now, here is, there's only 3 different moves, okay? You're gonna count down 4 pearls, okay? And on the 4th one, what you're gonna do is intertwine it like this, okay? Now I'm gonna give 2 twists. There's 1 and there is 2, okay? Now I'm gonna come down here like this and do the same thing again, but you're gonna leave 1 pearl there and come down right here, okay? That way you have 4 of them there. Then you're gonna give a twist like that, leave another pearl there, do the same thing. That way you have the legs, and the head, and the little ears. And there you go. We like to call her Mini Pearl. Isn't it beautiful? So easy to make. All you have to do is use the string pearls. All right, there you go. Have fun.